Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. And if you're new here, my name is Emily and I love to make videos about fashion, jewelry, lifestyle, and anything magical. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different bracelet designs. So right here on my wrist. And one of them you actually saw in my Pandora Winter Collection styling video. I'll link that video somewhere if you'd like to see it. As well as you did see the sliding bracelet, but I've added more of like a completed design to this bracelet, which I'm really excited about, including a special Pandora shine charm that my husband got me from the Pandora Winter Collection, which I love. I also have the gorgeous ornament, the beautiful ornament for 2019 that Pandora came out with. It came in that beautiful romantic ornament globe. It had the pink and silver. It's really pretty. I actually did an IGTV video unboxing and showing you guys it. So if you'd like to see that, feel free to check out my Instagram. It's at fashionstoryteller. Then also on this wrist, you would have seen this beautiful bracelet design on a sliding bracelet, but I've since added it to the Pandora mesh bracelet. This came out with a promo through Golden Memories as well as a bunch of other Pandora stores in Canada, and I love this bangle so much. I'm really excited to show you the details. This is my first mesh bangle, so really enjoying it and having fun styling it. And then last but not least, I'm going to be sharing with you a very special bracelet, which is my When You Wish Upon a Star Pandora Disney bracelet. So this is inspired by Disneyland, and technically my first ever trip to Disneyland. That was back maybe a couple years ago, 2-3 years ago. And I've been back twice since, and it is my happy place. I love Disneyland so much, and I just really wanted to capture that magical feeling of a dream come true. So if you're ready, make sure to grab a cup of tea. I'm actually having Silk Dragon Jasmine from DAVIDsTEA. This is a very fragrant, smooth, delicious green tea. It's actually a Chinese green tea, and then it has that beautiful notes of jasmine in it. So it's very fragrant, and it's really nice, a light tasting green tea. Now let's dive into the 4 Pandora bracelets I have to share with you. I was going for more of a New Year's theme, New Year's look to this whole video, but you guys, I'm filming this voiceover so late. I think it's like January 28th. I filmed all of this so January 1st, so a little bit behind on my filming. But anyway, the first Pandora bracelet I have to share with you is my Disneyland When You Wish Upon a Star theme. And this is a design I've been building on for the past 3 years. The first charm I'm going to share with you is a Pandora dangle charm. This is called Vintage Night Sky. It has beautiful blue enamel detail, an inscription that says, "I love you" to the moon and back, and beautiful cubic zirconia accents. This represents a wonderful art gallery trip my mom and my husband and I did in Toronto, and whenever I look at this, it takes me back. Now, I still had to put on the Disneyland themed bracelet though, because it just went so well with the theme. You'll also notice that I have the Everescent, I think it's the Midnight Everescence Muranos, and then I have the Star Shine Spacers. We also have the Sparkling Moon and Star Pandora clips. I have one on each clip section, which is really pretty. Now, of course, I had to have the wonderful Sleeping Beauty's Castle, the Disneyland Castle. This is the original one. They've updated it now with some pink enamel detail. But if you do go on the Shop Disney website, I do believe they still have some of these available if you're looking for an all-silver look. I also have Sorcerer Mickey. There's this gorgeous little golden crystal ball, and he has little yellow golden detail accent enamel accents on him, as well as some black enamel details too. This was a Christmas gift from my husband, I think, a year ago, so 2 Christmases ago now, and it is just so sweet. It's so cute. He's very special to me, and it just represents our love for Disney and getting to go to Disneyland twice so far in our lifetimes. Moving along through the bracelet near to the left side, we have a couple more charms I have to share with you. The first one is Disneyland. This is one of the first charms I picked out for my first trip to Disneyland, and it's so special to me. Every time I look at it, it just reminds me of that first feeling of being in Disneyland. It's just so special. Beside it, I have Follow the Stars in a blue cubic zirconia, so CZ setting. This really catches the light, and it's very twinkly. I also have the When You Wish Upon a Star, so it kind of is the bracelet name, so how could I not get this? It's just perfect. So this is from the Pinocchio little mini collection that Pandora did, and I just love, again, those Disney stars, the gorgeous cubic zirconia, and it's a nice big size charm, but it's relatively lightweight. I also have the Mickey Sorcerer's hat, and this represents our first trip to Disneyland as well, because my first ever set of ears were the Mickey Sorcerer ears, and then my husband actually got that exact hat to wear. So it just reminds us how cute we kind of looked in the Mickey ears and walking around Disneyland, and it just really takes me back, and I just love that sparkly blue enamel. I also have the piano charm. This has long been retired. This has quite a few meanings for me. Number 1, it represents my dad, my favorite singer Vanessa Carlton, and 3, walking down Main Street, USA, and hearing all the wonderful music. I love listening to Disney music. It's just so special. Now we're going to head over to the right side of the bracelet where I have a couple more charms that I'd love to share with you. And oh, Ella just popped up beside me. Ella's my mini poodle, in case you didn't know. You might have heard her. Now, the first one I want to share with you is right beside another star and moon clip. It is called the Be Magical charm. And again, it has those signature Pandora Disney stars. I just love that detail so much. And the message of this is just so special to me because this is really something that I look for every day. A way to have fun, to get creative, and to truly be magical. I'm a child at heart, and I think this charm was just a lovely little smile and reminder that that's okay, because that brings out the creative side and it brings out a lot of fun and enjoyment, and you don't take life too seriously. And I just wanted to interrupt kind of like this bracelet design, especially about this charm, the Be Magical charm, because I actually have a surprise for you guys. So over on my Instagram, I'm actually going to be having a giveaway. I did purchase an additional Be Magical bead for one lucky winner, and this will be hosted, as I mentioned, on Instagram. And thank you just to each and every one of you. I can't believe the past year, like, even though I wasn't able to post and put out as much content as I wanted to, there was so much stuff going on in 2019 for me. You guys have just been so amazing and supportive and sweet and kind, and just, this community is just the best. So I just wanted to do something special for you guys, and as a way just to like, yeah, just to say thank you, because it truly means the world, like having this wonderful community to kind of escape onto, get creative with, get inspired by, and it's just truly so much fun. So the Be Magical charm, I picked it because it's just like a wonderful reminder to be positive, to look for that specialness that's in each and every day, that positivity of every day, to add a little bit of sparkle to your life and to your day. And I think that's one thing that's so fun about our charm bracelets is they make us smile, like we were wearing something that's just really special, and it just kind of adds that little smile to your day. And if there's a way that we can kind of extend that to others, I think that's just so important. So I'm going to be giving away the Be Magical Disney charm, and that's going to be hosted on Instagram, as I mentioned. And I'm doing something special for my YouTube friends. So if you've made it this far in the video, when you go to enter that, do what it says in the Instagram thing. All the information will be on there. But also add the word New Year's 2020. That's all you have to put, New Year's 2020. And that will get you a bonus entry. So basically, if you're following me here on YouTube, I just want to extend the thank you on that as well. So New Year's 2020. The next charm I have to share with you is Chef Mickey. This number 1 represents delicious food, Mickey waffles, all that goodness, but also my little brother. He is actually a very creative chef, so it also has a double meaning there as well. I also have my hope chest, a little place to put away some Disney dreams and goals and ideas that I have, so that's also on that bracelet. This is on the Zodiac bracelet, so this is a retired bracelet, but it's so beautiful. I love the clasp detail. I also have the Star and Moon safety chain. This is still available from Pandora. It has beautiful cubic zirconia accents, and I think they really pair nicely with the clasp of this bracelet. The next bracelet I have to share with you is also a Disney theme, but done on a Pandora limited edition bangle. This is an Aladdin themed, a magic carpet ride themed bracelet, and this is done on the Fireworks limited edition bangle. Now, I love this. This came out just over 2 years ago now, and it is just so special. I didn't get it on video, but what it says on the middle, the center of the bangle, is it says the best is yet to come. And I think that's just such a positive message just to enter the new year with. Also, I have the Fireworks charm in addition to the clasp detail. First off, I love that it has that midnight blue cubic zirconia accent. I think it nicely pairs with the Magic Carpet Ride charm itself, as well as the patterns of frost charms that I have on here. I love that pop of blue. The fireworks, of course, make me think of the ending scene with Aladdin and Jasmine watching the fireworks shoot off in the air, and I just think such a romantic moment. And you know, Disney fireworks are the best. Like, if you haven't seen them, they are spectacular. Speaking of It's a Magic Carpet Ride, it also says, "You fill my world with wonder," and I just think that's so special and just so, so romantic. The next bracelet I have to share with you, you would have seen last in my Pandora winter video. This is the Pave Star Sliding Bracelet, and at the time you last saw this, it only had one charm on it and 2 clips, but it's come a long way since then in just under a month. The Pave Star Sliding Bracelet features this gorgeous, beautiful cubic zirconia studded star. This is just stunning, and I like that it's not like a perfect symmetrical star. It has some character and charm about it, which I really love. Like, it's not that, it's like a different shape, if you know what I mean. So I really love that. The stars on the bottom, like shooting stars, also echo that idea as well, and I think that's just so beautiful. I don't have a proper name for this bracelet just yet, but if you have any ideas or suggestions, please comment them down below. I'm still debating between some. Now, the first charm I'm going to share with you is the Angel Shooting Star Pandora Shine Dangle. This features the Pandora Shine plated gold as well as the cubic zirconia star accent detail. This whole charm is so detailed. I completely overlooked it, and I love that my husband got it for me because I would have totally regretted not picking this up. So much beautiful detail in it. I also have the ornament for this, well, I guess you could say the past year, and I love that it has a little star detail on it too, and a beautiful bail. Pandora's been doing more kind of the classic CZ bail, and it's so lovely to see something that's a little more unique. I also have the Inspirational Stars Dangle. You would have seen this in the Pandora Winter video because this is the charm that was only on it for that video. I love the back. I love that it says, "Dream it, wish it, do it." Such a good, positive message and something to kind of look at and catch your eye on, maybe a day when you need to hear that. The last bracelet I have to share with you is, I call it Oh Holy Night, but it's one that I would wear throughout the year. It definitely is more of a religious theme to it, and I really, really, really love this bracelet. I've been wearing it a lot throughout January, and ever since I kind of designed it in December. It's just very special to me. It has this beautiful spread your wings and fly message. It has the Mother Mary on here. That is, it isn't exclusive, but my friend Rita was able to help me get it. So I love that. It's on the Shine Bright mesh bangle. So this was the exclusive bangle for this year. The only thing that I'm having an issue with is the clasp on this bangle constantly is opening on me, so I don't know if I'm the only one who's had this problem, or maybe I just have a faulty clasp, I'm not sure. But either way, I absolutely love it. It still stays on my wrist, it doesn't fall off, so I'm really, really enjoying it. Also, you're going to see the Holy Cross on here. This came out at like oh my gosh, it was years ago now for an Easter collection release, and this cross has gone on a variety of different bracelets, but I really love it being on here. I always love to have a cross somewhere on me, so this is a very special way to kind of add that into my January month, so really been enjoying that. Also, here's a little look at the back of the charms. We also have the Wintry Delight little balls. I think that's the name anyway. Correct me if I'm wrong, guys, please. We have the back detail of Mother Mary and then again of the cross. Very simple, but just very, very beautiful. And you can tell it's well loved. You can see all the little dings and things because I love to wear my jewelry. And that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing my New Year's inspired bracelets and my When You Wish Upon a Star Disneyland themed bracelet. I had so much fun filming this video for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please let me know which bracelet was your favorite down below, as well as if you have any designs with the celestial blue Pandora kind of color. It's so pretty, and I love that pop of blue. I also really am loving, as mentioned, how Pandora Shine pairs with it. I just think it's such like a pretty color combination. Anyway, you guys, cheers. I have like the tiniest bit of tea left, so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of this with little Ella. She's just sitting over there chewing her bone. So she's so cute, by the way. Ella also just really wanted to say hello to you guys too, and Happy New Year. You were too cute, little Ella Bella. Do you want to say hi to all our friends? They're right there. Can you see them? No, up there, up there. No, they're not over there. Stay over there. No, you can't see them. No. Aww. And don't forget to enter the Instagram giveaway if you'd like to win the Pandora Be Magical Disney charm. And cheers, you guys. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.